Today you're going to find out if Linux Mint Cinnamon is still worth it in 2026. If you're thinking about switching from Windows or trying Linux for the first time. This is something you need to understand before making a decision because Linux Mint has been one of the most recommended distributions for years, but the real question is whether it still holds up today, so let's break it down step by step first. What is Linux Mint Cinnamon? Linux Mint is a Linux-based operating system designed to be simple, stable, and easy to use, and Cinnamon is its main desktop environment. It's designed to feel very familiar.
Especially if you're coming from Windows, you get a taskbar,
A start menu, system tray, and a layout that doesn't feel confusing. So right away, the learning curve is very low. You don't feel lost when you start using it now. Let's talk about one of its biggest strengths in 2026, ease of use. From the moment you install Linux Mint, everything just works. You already have a browser, media codecs, file manager, and system tools ready. You don't need to spend hours configuring things. This is a big advantage, especially for beginners now. Let's talk about performance. Linux Mint Cinnamon is known for being lightweight compared to many other operating systems. It runs smoothly. Even on older or mid-range computers, that means you can revive an old laptop and make it feel fast again. Apps open quickly. The system feels responsive and it doesn't consume too many resources in 2026. This is still one of the biggest reasons people choose it now. Let's talk about stability. Linux Mint focuses on being reliable rather than cutting edge. It doesn't rush updates or experimental features. Instead, it gives you a system that works consistently. This makes it great for daily use. You can use it for work, browsing media, and not worry about random crashes now. Let's talk about the interface. Cinnamon looks clean and functional, but it's not the most modern-looking desktop. Some people like that classic style. Others may feel it looks a bit outdated compared to newer environments, but the advantage is simplicity. Everything is where you expect it to be. Now let's talk about software and compatibility. Linux Mint supports a wide range of apps. You can install browsers, office tools, media players, and more without issues, but there are still some limitations. Some professional software and certain games are better supported on Windows, although compatibility has improved. It's still something to consider. Now let's talk about updates and features. Linux Mint doesn't try to be the most innovative system. It focuses on stability over new features. So you may not always get the latest technology right away, but what you get is something that works well and for many users. That matters more. Now let's talk about
who this system is for. Linux Mint Cinnamon is perfect.
If you want something simple, if you're coming from Windows, if you have an older computer, or if you just want a stable system that works without problems, but it may not be ideal if you want the newest features all day time, or if you rely on very specific software that only works on Windows. Now the final question, is it worth it in 2026? The answer is yes, but it depends on your needs. Linux Mint Cinnamon is not trying to be flashy. It's trying to be reliable, simple, and efficient, and in that sense, it still does an excellent job. So if you want a system that just works, feels familiar, and performs well, even on modest hardware, Linux Mint Cinnamon is still one of the best choices you can make in 2026.